It's Crypto Vlog, guys. In today's video, Remitix Markets. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
And before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through Remitix Market and show you exactly how the platform works. We'll go through the complete process from connecting a wallet and making a deposit to exploring the available markets, using the charting tools, placing a leverage trade, and finally checking out open position and portfolio. If you're completely new to the platform, this video should give you a clear overview of how everything works. So this is the main trading interface of the Remitix market. Right away you can see that everything is organized into a single dashboard. On the left we have the price charts, in the center we can monitor the market, and over on the right we have the order book and the trading panel where we'll place a trade later in the video. Everything you need is easily accessible from this one screen, which makes the platform straightforward to navigate. Let's start from the beginning. I'm going to click on Connect Wallet. The platform supports connecting your crypto wallet so you can access all the trading features. My wallet of choosing is MetaMask, so I'll pick it right now. I'll enter my password, connect, and now that my wallet is connected, the next step is funding the account. I'll click on deposit, and for this demonstration I'm going to deposit $100 into my trading account. Let's click confirm, and deposit is submitted. This is simply an example amount to show you how the deposit process works. And you can fund your account with whatever amount you're comfortable using. And once it's processed, the balance will appear here on the platform. As you can see, it's 100 USDC. Perfect, the funds have now arrived and the account is funded. Now we are ready to start exploring the platform. Let's take a look at the available trading pairs. One thing I like is how straightforward the search function is. If I'm looking for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or another supported asset, I can simply type the ticker symbol into the search bar and instantly filter the available markets. Let's go, for example, Bitcoin, Solana, and for this walkthrough, I'll use the Ethereum perpetual market. Now let's spend a minute looking at the charting tools. The platform offers multiple time frames depending on type of analysis you want to perform. For example, I can switch to 1 minute chart to see shorter term price action. Then I can move to 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even daily time frame to get a broader perspective of the market. Having multiple time frame options makes it easy to analyze price movement from different angles. The platform also includes drawing tools. For example, I can quickly draw a simple trend line to highlight an area I'm interested in. And if you like using technical analysis, you can also access different indicators directly from the chart. Overall, the chart feels clean, responsive, and easy to customize depending on your preferred trading style. Now let's move over to the trading panel. Here I can choose whether I want to open long position if I expect the price to rise, or short position if I believe the price may fall. For this demonstration, I'll select long. Before opening the trade, let's take a look at the leverage settings. The platform is currently set to 20 times leverage by default, but you also have the option to adjust it depending on your trading preferences. For this demonstration, I'll increase it to 22 times leverage. And I'll click confirm. As always, it's important to remember that higher leverage increases both potential returns and potential risk, so it's something you should use carefully and only if you understand how it works. Now I'll enter my position size, for example 10%. I'm using a relatively small position purely to demonstrate how placing a trade works. I leave the order type set to market, which means the order will execute immediately at the current market price. Everything looks good, so let's go ahead and open the position. And just like that, the position has been opened. If we scroll down to the position section, we can now see the trade we just opened. This section provides a quick overview of the position, including details like the entry price, current size, leverage, and any unrealized profit or loss as the market moves. It's a convenient way to monitor your active trades in real time. Finally, let's head over to the portfolio section. Here you can review your balance, monitor your open positions, and keep track of your overall account activity from one convenient dashboard. Having everything organized in one place makes it much easier to manage your trading activity and quickly review your account. That was a walkthrough of Remitix Markets. Hopefully this one has given you a clear understanding of how the platform works and what you can expect when using it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, like it, and put notifications information on. Join this amazing project called Remitix Market and get all of this information just for yourself. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.